good day to everyone. And now I'm happy to be a simple living here in the Philippines. As you can see, my environment so green, but your heart is not my mind. Okay. Uh, all I see is thank you to my all followers and watching me all over the world, and 3 million subscriber and my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for follow me and subscribe me. Although life is not easy when I'm here, but also a simple life beyond the situation. But it's okay as long I survive in this simple lifestyle. And not easy because you need to work and make a lot of money to survive and buy new stuff, buy new things that we need. And I grass cut my surrounding so that there's no snake here and my life will not dangerous. So sorry if my English is not so well, but it's okay. Life is not easy. We keep continue struggling in life. And oh, how about you, my man? How about you? As you can see, this is my food. And this food is what I okay, this food is ampalaya. So delicious. So delicious. I'm boring right now. Standby of my small barracks. This barracks is made by construction. So I think it's uses. I can buy some stuff like airbed, some clothes, grocery, so that I can survive. Not easy. How about you, my man? You live a life like this. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, all of you, your million subscriber and millions of followers. So that's all, guys. Thank you. See you to the next video. Bye bye.